Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree. If you are new here, I have a dentist appointment in like 2 hours. So I figured what better of a day than for me to show you guys my absolute favorite, like low effort, quick makeup. I've been doing this so much recently and I've just been loving the way that it's been looking. My skin has been looking really good with this too. So if you guys want to hang out, do some quick makeup, then just keep on watching. So for me, when it comes to quick makeup, I still do a lot of the same stuff that I usually do in always the same like order pretty much. But a lot of it comes down to like skipping steps. So skipping primers, skipping, creams, just stuff like that. And it'll fluctuate depending on, what I've been doing recently, but this particular way of doing my makeup, like quickly, has been just so good recently. We went to 2 concerts in 1 week, and then I had to work the following day, so even like working like a later shift the next day, I'm still just like, I don't have it in me to like do like the whole thing, And also, to be completely honest with you, in my time at least, my brain has still not like I have acclimated back to like being in California, but my brain has not figured out how to really function correctly since getting back from our vacation. And to be fair, basically every single week since we've been back, which has been weeks now, every week has been like weird schedules and like things to do and appointments and stuff like that. So a lot of it has been like I just haven't had like a good steady amount of time that's just been like normal for my brain to be like, okay, we're back in our normal routine. So I have not been filming like short form content like at all. I think since we've been back, I've filmed like maybe 2, when usually I film those like every day pretty much, that I'm not filming like regular YouTube content. So my brain is mush right now, and it has been for weeks. It also doesn't help too, at least in my makeup style, but I mean it does help because my makeup's been looking really good, that I've been watching, I finally was catching up on like the Kardashians, and so I've been seeing their makeup, and I've just been like, damn, their makeup always looks so fucking good. Like Mario and Ariel always kill it, and all of their other makeup artists as well always kill it. I feel like I have been like subconsciously kind of emulating a lot of the makeup that I've been seeing on the show. So for my eyes, the product itself doesn't matter. I'm literally just taking like a neutral to kind of warm tone brown shade all over my lids. I'm using the Not a Box Chocolates palette from Colourpop, and I'm going into Oh Chip, but literally any brown, whatever brown floats your boat, honestly. And I also just want to point out, by the way, 9 times out of 10, I would not wear makeup to the dentist. However, I am off today, and going back to that whole going on vacation thing, I lost a lot of filming days when we did that, so I am still in catch-up mode in that sense. So I have to film a video today, and don't particularly want to go to the dentist and then get home and then film a video later in the day. I like the lighting in here a lot better in the mornings and late morning than I do 2-3 o'clock today. So I fucking hope I'm not there for 3 hours, but And right now I'm literally just taking that brush that I used to set my brow bone and just running that over the top edges. This is truly a one shadow eye makeup look. I just want it to be really nicely blended. Okay, that's truly it for the eyes for right now. I am me, and I have to do this, so I'm gonna go put on a wing really quick, and I will be right back. I just sprayed like a primer spray on my face, and while I don't usually do my base with you guys on camera, this is, the whole thing is in the base, right? And what I do to make my base look really good without, you know, while still being lower effort. So obviously I already have a sunscreen on, as you can tell by how shiny my face is, but I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. Usually I only put this underneath my eyes, but today, and every day that I do this type of makeup look, I am covering my entire face with it. Mostly because this has just the tiniest bit of like what I could almost perceive as like coverage. So it helps. It helps. Did that make my face even more shiny than it already was? Yes. Do I care? No. Really quick, I am going to just spot conceal and put a little bit of corrector on my under eyes. That's pretty normal for me because the trick here is that I am skipping foundation. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is basically almost like a version of underpainting. So I'm gonna take the Rare Beauty bronzer stick in the shade Happy Soul, and I'm gonna just kind of messily put this everywhere. And then I'm gonna take a concealer of like a higher coverage concealer. So I'm gonna use the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. And I'm gonna put a dot underneath my eyes. I'm on the center of my forehead, a little bit down the bridge of my nose, chin, upper lip, and then swipe, swipe. And that's where I'm gonna start. I can always add more as needed. And then just taking a brush, I'm gonna start slowly blending this out. And then usually what I do right about now is I just kind of quickly evaluate, like, do I have enough bronzer where I would want it? And I am happy, except for right here. And then real quick, I'm just gonna take a damp sponge and I'm just going to bounce this over everything. Get rid of any streaky lines, pick up any excess product, you know. And then usually what I do is I take just a little bit more concealer right here, just honestly because I hate the way that concealer looks blended out with a brush. So I always end up adding just like a little bit more for a little bit more of a brightening effect. And then I usually just take whatever's left on my sponge from that little bit of concealer and just drag it down. Creams are on. Face has been sprayed again, like I always do. And now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of powder bronzer just to reinforce where I had already placed that powder bronzer. I'm using the Milani Baked Bronzer in Dolce. It's super light, super easy, like not very harsh at all, so it's still gonna look really soft. And then I'm gonna go in with a powder blush, and that is one that I quite literally just broke. That's fine. This is the Flower Beauty Flower Pots blush in the shade Spiced Petal. Okay, and then next step is I'm going to set down the rest of my face. Normal setting powders, normal everything, so I'm going to jump right over that. I will be right back. Okay, face is set. I quickly took like a shader brush and that same shade that I used on my lids and just kind of quickly smudged it underneath my lash line. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush topper, and I'm going to use the Essence Pure Nude Baked Blush in Pretty Peach. Sometimes if I'm feeling really feisty with this look and I have a couple extra minutes, I will contour, like powder contour a little bit. I've been really into that lately. Today I'm not feeling feisty. The look overall is a little bit warmer, so I feel like powder contour is a little unnecessary. And then last but not least, a little bit of highlight because of course I'm going to use the Nabla Skin Glazing Highlight in Privilege. Okay, and that is pretty much the basis of everything. I'm gonna spray down my face to kind of melt in all of these powders. I'm gonna go put on my brows, do all that good stuff. I'm definitely not putting on lashes today. This is not like a lash necessary look, but I'm gonna go do all of that off of camera and I will be right back. All right, so this is the final look. Lips are usually hit or miss, but 9 times out of 10 what I'll do is I'll honestly just take like a lip liner and just kind of like redefine my lips, my lip line, you know, because makeup tends to kind of smudge that line a little bit, and then I'll just kind of like quickly smudge that lip liner over the rest of my lips, throw on some chapstick, call it a day. That's that. But like I said, this is one of my favorite ways to do my makeup recently. I have just been loving the way that it's been looking. It still looks really good, but it's super easy to apply. You're not wearing a ton because you're not wearing foundation, like, but at the same time, doesn't it kind of look like I'm wearing foundation? Like, it all just kind of works together really well, and I've been loving it. So I am gonna go brush my teeth again because I need to leave soon. Comment down below and let me know your favorite way to do like quick makeup, or do you just like not even fucking bother? I would love to know. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope that you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.